Hi there, hope you're doing well. I am Janita from India and I'm looking forward to improve your English language skills. I'm fluent in English, Hindi, and Odia and shall be conversing with you in English. I finished grade 10 from the Indian High School Dubai and senior secondary from Carson Graham Secondary School, Vancouver, in Canada. Currently, I'm undergoing and preparing for TOEFL exam after completing bachelor's degree in chemistry and subsequently Bachelor of Education in Physical Science with first division marks in all of my academics. I'm certain that I shall be able to infuse enthusiasm in my students and help them understand the subject matter besides avoiding rote learning. I assure you that my classes will be fun, interactive, and student friendly, and thus act as a stepping stone towards your personal and professional development. I'm available on Zoom, Skype, WhatsApp, and will help you with the exam preparation and to learn English up to higher intermediate level. I believe in working in a relaxed environment at a mutual pace and would love to work with you to help you grow as a confident English speaker. Thanks for watching my video. Best regards, Janita.